What's the meaning of chatterbox? Chatterbox. Chatterbox.
Chatterbox. Chatterbox. Chatterbox refers to someone who talks excessively or incessantly, often without considering the listener's interest or needs. This colloquial term can be used affectionately or pejoratively depending on the context and tone. To be called a chatterbox might indicate a lack of social awareness, self-control, or empathy for others. It could also suggest a charming and sociable personality with a gift for gab. Ultimately, the connotation of chatterbox depends on the individual's behavior and the observer's perspective.